Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, December 16, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. Tonight we're going to talk about silver breaking the $65 mark. But before I get started, I just want to make sure everything's streaming properly on my end. So let me know where you're tuning in from. Use hashtag replay if you're watching the replay. Please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're over on my YouTube channel, click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. All right, perfect. Wow, I can't believe it. $65. $65. So let's go check this out over here at the American Precious Metal Exchange. Click on silver. Wow, look at this. It's going to be $66 probably by the end of this live. Just going to refresh this. $65.93. So, you know, I'm listening to some of the experts here, and they're saying that this could be well over $70 before the end of the year. And I'm not a silver investor or an expert. I'm not a financial advisor of any kind. I just talk to you what I learn from people who are. Okay, so $65.93, awesome. And what is driving the price of this? What's driving silver up? Well, first of all, it's the industrial. I mean, industrial demand is up, right? I mean, silver's used in solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, batteries, medical applications, water purification systems, and really the list goes on and on and on. There's a finite supply of it, right? So we can't, this is God's money. You can't recreate silver and gold. You can get fake silver and gold, but you can't recreate it, right? So there's a limited supply of it. Production isn't keeping up with demand right now. So that means it's a tighter market. Let me just refresh this again. Let's see. 66.10. Oh, wow. Look at that. 66.10, folks. That's live right now. Just jumped that much, right? It's crazy. And it's a safe haven. You know, investors move their silver or move into silver and precious metals during economic uncertainty. And right now we're certainly in uncertain times. But you just saw that jump live right here, $66.10. I mean, it's crazy. So we're up $4.78 in the last week, $3.92 in the last 3 days, and we're up $2.22 today, and it just went up again. All right, year to date, we're up $37.09. How you doing, Dave? Thanks for hopping on here, brother. So if you were buying silver at the beginning of this year, you have 127.28% currently ROI. Right? I mean, it's just crazy. So what I'm doing is I'm working with a company called QuickSilver, and I'm stacking silver, right? So I'm building generational wealth. Appreciate you, Dave. How you doing, Tanya? Thanks for hopping on here. So I am stacking silver and building generational wealth by stacking silver, because what I'm doing, I'm going to hold on to this for my future grandkids, right? I mean, in 20, 30, 40, 50 years from now, it could be worth a fortune. So I'm stacking silver, trading my fiat currency backed by nothing for tangible assets that have real value, something that you can hold in your hand. Coins that are, I know it's hard to see on here, coins that are absolutely beautiful. All right, 1 ounce silver coins. And something that's going to continue to go up, right? Something that's going to continue to go up in value. So why I like QuickSilver is because, let me just share my screen here. There's a lot of things that I like about QuickSilver. I'm just going to show you quickly why I work with this company over all the others. For one, their prices are a lot cheaper than some of the bigger markets like JM Bullion and SD Bullion and places like that, okay? In fact, I was on a phone call tonight with somebody who reached out to me and had some questions about QuickSilver, and they were wanting to know if the 10th of an ounce silver bar or a silver coin was priced right. So I went on, and when I looked, it was like $10.97 or something like that. And we went on to another site, and I looked it up, and it was almost $12, right? Not only that, it was $9.95 to ship it, where here with us, it's only $7.77 to ship it. So the gentleman basically, by buying it through QuickSilver, saves about $4. All right. And he loved that. He loved that. But we have 4 secrets to the wealthy life here with QuickSilver that we talk about. One of them is wealth building precious metals. So all of your assets, right? Pure silver and gold bullion from around the world. You can automatically receive these every month via our auto wealth delivery. So you can set this up to get silver and/or gold delivered to your doorstep every month on autopilot. No need to worry about it, think about it, anything like that. You can adjust the quantity and items received monthly at any time. All right. And when you become a wealth ambassador, where you become an affiliate, you can get paid up to 7 different ways and use your commissions to get free silver and gold. That's what I've done. All right. And I can't guarantee you'll make any money if you join me in this. It's all dependent on your work ethic. Most people don't have very good work ethic when it comes to building their own business, but the action takers who join me and take action, they get results. All right. Just like Dave, who's on the call here, he gets results. All right. So you just got to be an action taker and show up. How you doing, Paul? Thanks for hopping on here. Long time no see. So that's number one. The second key to a wealthy life is the automatic wealth building, which I basically just touched on, where you can have silver and gold sent to your doorstep on autopilot, right? So it's kind of like your 401k plan or your HSA account at work, right? A lot of people have their money just taken out every week. They don't even think about it, and it just goes into those accounts. Same here with this, right? We have a very lucrative compensation plan, which I'll show you in a minute. The third key to the wealthy life is making the world a better place, right? So this is one of the beautiful things about this company, is that they will take profits, part of their profits from each sale, and send money to Feed My Starving Children, which is a nonprofit organization that delivers life-sustaining meals all across the globe. All right, so how cool is that? You're partaking in a company where you are stacking precious metals. All right, so you're building up wealth by stacking precious metals. You're feeding starving children. You're doing charitable work. And you can build a lucrative residual income if you're willing to put in the work and show up every day. How you doing, Tina? Thanks for hopping on here. Yeah, Dave says we may be making our grandchildren or great-grandchildren millionaires. Yeah, maybe even our grandchildren. You know? So, I mean, it's a no-brainer to me. Right? I mean, we've donated over 151,000 meals since inception to date. And I know it's way higher than this. They change this like every quarter. So come January, this number will probably be updated. All right. But we have the Project S4, Save Silver, Save Someone. Hey, thanks for the stars, Tina. I appreciate that. Appreciate it. And then the fourth key to the wealthy life is a simple income generating system that allows you to build generational wealth, right? And that's what we have when you become a wealth ambassador. All right, so let me show you. When you become a wealth ambassador, you're going to get your own e-commerce site, okay, which is very cool. So that's going to look like this, right? And these are all retail prices here, but then you can see membership prices, right? So you can become you can buy retail. I have people that buy retail. You can become a preferred customer by setting up an auto wealth delivery, which is as little as $10.97 a month plus shipping. Or you become a wealth ambassador, share this with other people, make commissions, build a nice monthly residual income if you're willing to put in the work, and grow an honest business, a great business, right? I mean, we have stuff here for everybody. We have gold, we have silver proofs, we have silver coins, we have ancient historic coins, copper collection. I love these copper coins. I've been buying 2 of each of these when they come out. All right, something here for everybody, but you get your own e-commerce site. And then I'm going to show you the compensation plan, briefly go over that with you. Right, like I mentioned, you can earn up to 7 different ways. We have customer acquisition bonuses. Okay, so whenever you enroll someone onto an auto wealth delivery, you earn a one-time customer acquisition bonus. This can be anywhere from $1 to $3, $5, $10. It just depends on what the customer orders. But these are paid out the second business day after the sale, so you don't have to wait weeks or months to get paid. We have the challenge bonuses. All right, so we have a trading metals portfolio package and a coin collection package. Each time you sell one of these, you're going to earn $10 for the trading metals package, $20 for the coin challenge package. Okay, and right now for a limited time, you can lock in double challenge bonuses for life by simply buying or selling any of the packages, or by buying one for yourself or selling any of them to a preferred customer during your first 30 days. When you do that each time, moving forward for life, you're going to double your bonuses. So $10 for the or $20 for the trading metals portfolio and $40 for the coin collection package, right? So most people, what they do is when they join this, they just come in here and buy one of these packages, and then they're double qualified for life, right? Paid out the second business day after the sale. Then we have the challenge bonus overrides. So every time you have one of your personally referred ambassadors sell any of these challenge packages, you're going to earn a bonus override challenge. All right. So a standard bonus would be $250 for the trading metals, or $5 if you're double bonus qualified. $5 for the coin collection package, or $10 if you're double bonus qualified. Paid out the second business day after the sale. How you doing, Nikki? Thanks for hopping on here. Then we have direct commissions. All right, so every product in your e-commerce store has a point value and a direct commission. So, for example, you sell a 2-ounce coin, it may show 4 points and a direct commission of $1. All right, your direct commission is paid on any purchases made by your personal customers and your personally referred ambassadors outside of challenge packages and auto wealth coins and items. These are paid out the next business day after the sale. And then this is where it really starts to get interesting. We have wealth cycles. All right. So basically, this is a binary structure. You're going to have a left team and a right team. And every time you earn 100 points on your left team and 100 points on your right team, that creates a $10 wealth cycle. So the challenge packages are 40 to 100 points apiece. Each auto wealth coin is 10 points. And then every shop or every item in the shop carries points as well. Right? So the points add up really quick. Then we have different achievement levels here. Level 1, you can earn up to $20 a month. Level 2, up to $40 a month. I keep forgetting if Dave's 10 or 11. I think he's going on level. What level are you, Dave, if you're still watching? I think he's level 11. So Dave can earn up to $520 a month. Okay. I'm at level 13, getting ready to move up to level 14. So I can earn $800 a month right now. And then you get up to level 20, where you can earn up to $6,000 a month. And then we move into our sixth way to getting paid, which is leadership levels and bonuses. All right. Now, the company recognizes you as a leader once you get up to these levels, and they're going to start giving you a leadership bonus. So level 21, you can earn up to $8,000 a month with a $500 leadership bonus. Level 22, you can earn up to $11,000 a month with a $1,000 leadership bonus. Level 23, you can earn up to $15,000 a month with a $2,000 leadership bonus. And level 24, which is where our team is going to be, you can earn up to $20,000 a month with a $5,000 leadership bonus. All right, imagine that. Now, to top that off, we have matching wealth cycles. I just got to take a sip of water here. All right, the seventh way we get paid, matching wealth cycles. It says when your personally enrolled wealth ambassadors earn wealth cycles, you can earn matching wealth cycle bonuses. To qualify to earn 10% matching bonuses, you simply refer one new wealth ambassador within your first 30 days. To qualify to earn 50% matching bonuses, you simply refer 3 new wealth ambassadors within your first 30 days. So imagine over time, the collective of your personally sponsored wealth ambassadors earn a combined total of 10,000 in wealth cycles monthly, and you're 50% matching bonus qualified, right? You get a $5,000 check on top of that, on top of whatever else you're making. right? Even a 10% matching bonus on the 10 grand would be an extra $1,000 a month. So that is what we're doing here at QuickSilver. Super awesome company. But, you know, the dollar becomes weaker. The feds keep printing money. There's no better time now to start stacking silver, right? You're going to be looking at this next year going, wow, I wish I would have started stacking silver when it was $65 an ounce, because now it's $125. All right. I mean, I don't have any, you know, how you doing, Nora? Thanks for hopping on here. Appreciate you. And I love this opportunity too. It's awesome. So that is what we're doing here over at QuickSilver, but the momentum's been building. I mean, you know, it's just, this is silver. You know, it's not just a metal, it's a strategy. It's what wealthy people do. They accumulate silver because they know over time it's going to increase in value, right? And not many people are stacking silver. Most people don't even think about silver as an asset, right? But it's a great trade to trade in your fiat currency, which is backed by nothing, for something that has real value. They call it God's money for a reason, right? It can't be duplicated. It can be faked, but they can't recreate silver and they can't recreate gold. Isn't that something? Right? So if you want a free silver bar to help kickstart your silver stacking journey, you can click the QR code up here, or you can go to freesilverbar.com. All right, go check it out. Get a free silver bar. They'll send you. You pay $2.74 to have it shipped to you. And you can reach out to me. You can call or text me with any questions that you have. But now's the time, folks. Now is the time. It's not going to get any better. Or I should say it's not going to get any cheaper. It's going to get better for us that already have silver and those of us who start stacking now. But Tony says, what is the website for more information? Freesilverbar.com. All right. You can either scan the QR code up here or visit Free Silver Bar going right across the bottom here, freesilverbar.com. And I'll have a link. I will have a link above this if you're over on YouTube. I'll have a link down below this if you're over on, no, excuse me. I'll have a link above this if you're on my Facebook. A link down below this if you're over on my YouTube. Okay. So freesilverbar.com. Absolutely. Take action. Build yourself an empire. All right. So I'm going to hop off this, but I appreciate each and every one of you. Dave, thanks for being on here. Tanya, thanks for being on here. Tina, thanks for being on here. And thanks for the stars. Nikki, thanks for being on here. Nora, thanks for being on here. I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.